Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another freaking video of $50 to $1 million. I just want to say right now, guys, thank you for the support. Y'all have been going crazy with the likes, subscribes, and views. Let me share real quick about like how y'all been helping a brother out. Like, I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. We gained nearly like 10 subscribers from that last video. Jesus Christ, you guys are amazing. Like, look, it just climbs and climbs. Like, I really do appreciate you guys for the love and support that you guys are sharing or giving, sorry. But if you guys do want to subscribe, and you guys are not subscribed yet, see what's on screen. Yes, we are trying to hit 10K subscribers, so I really appreciate that. And I don't even know what else to say, but I just thank you. Anyways, enough yabbering or yabbling, blabbling, whatever you call it. It is Sunday, 3:15 p.m. and we got some trades to take. I want to try to hit $1,000 this week. I'm not gonna cap off of $150 or $147. I want to try to hit $1,000. I'm gonna start going a little bit higher in leverage. If I blow it, I blow it. But with the strategy that we're using, we're gonna try to maintain our proper risk and the big reward. So I'm gonna go a little bit heavier. I'm gonna start risking a little bit more, but I'm also be cautious for what I'm risking and potentially losing. At the end of the day, it will be all worth it. We're still using the same pairs, as you guys see on the screen right here. We're still using these same pairs. We haven't changed them yet. Still using the same strategy, which is support and resistance. Still using the same time frames, or you know, you got to mix it around sometimes. You might not find the right time frame or right setup on the right time frame, but that doesn't matter. You guys just continue to your strategy. Never give up. You guys are trading right now. Do not give up. You guys will become successful, and the reason why I know this is because I'm telling you it, and it came from who? Me. But whatever you do, do not give up, and just keep driving for what you guys want. By the way, on top of that, I think while I'm making this video, I'm gonna also upload another video of an FTMO passing a 10K challenge account. I think I'm gonna try that. Hopefully you guys gain interest off that video too, and see me try to pass the FTMO challenge account. If I fail, I fail, but if we make it, we make it. Anyways, without further ado, let's get to the charts and let's take some W's. Good morning, everybody. Okay, good morning. First off, it is 6:16 a.m. in the morning here in Vegas. I have entered a trade like an hour before I got off. So let me show you the trade of where I entered at. So here's the trade right here. I have entered on Euro AUD. I see a little head and shoulders and a break and retest on top of that on an hour time frame. With a 4-hour time frame, we did reject twice. So we're looking for a little push to the downside, plus it was engulfing candle on this one. So yeah, we're looking for a little push to the downside for sales. So we are in it. We're gonna draw down a little bit by $3 just range. Everyone focus, $3 just. Now if it pulls 50% of this candle, I will enter a second position with the same lot size. So in case it moves down here, move our stop loss to break even, or we'll be in profit, I'm sorry. And once it pushes down more, we'll be profit plus break even on this trade. So yeah, let's just see how it plays out. I am upping the lot sizes because we're gonna go with bigger positions. More risk, more reward, or more risk, more loss. But it doesn't matter. With the strategy, we should be good. But we're not gonna let greed get to us. So we gotta be very cautious, but don't go too extreme. Don't go full margin. But we're going a good size. So yeah, I'll catch up back with you guys once we either about to get taken out or we're in profit. Trade update. The candle did pull back 50%, so I got into a second position and for the same lot size. So this is the position. So going kind of heavy like I said, but yeah, here's the position. The second position down $2 because I just entered. But let's just see how it runs. My stop loss is right here. For some reason, my MetaTrader 5 on my computer is not showing my stop loss area, but it's on here. So, but it shows on my phone. But this is my stop loss area. We're risking a good about like $30 to gain possible 100. But anyways, yeah, this is a trade right here. So you just gotta be patient, see how it plays out. It could either hit stop loss or go in profit. So either way, you gotta live and learn. No risk, no reward. So by the look of this trade, it looks like we're about to get stopped out. But if we do, it is what it is. We risk $55-ish to gain $60 to gain like probably 120. But look, we are about to get stopped out. I drew my lines up here on MT5 because it's not making my stop loss on my TP all my entries on MT5 desktop version. But you see, if we do get stopped out, we'll be back at like $90-ish. It's all right, but we are risking about like $60-ish. But who cares? One loss, it'll be actually the first loss we get. And if it does actually reject and flips to the downside, it's possible. But it looks like it's gonna stop us out. So we'll see if it stops us out, and I'll update you guys. Yep. This is a trade update for sure. And yeah. So if you guys look, we were in drawdown by a lot, and our TP did not get hit. We'll actually move my TP up to the top of this candle. Why? Because this was just a straight blank candle. So I feel like we're just going to grab a whole bunch of liquidity. So I moved up to the top of that. But now we're in profit by a little bit. And told you we were going heavy. I was in drawdown for like 60 bucks. And this little move, here's my two positions I entered. I just drew it up on MC5, like I said. But right now we're currently flowing around $33-ish. We're looking to gain almost like, try to hit like $100 on this trade. 100 plus, or I might just leave some runners, move my stop loss to break even, leave some runners, and let's see how it goes. So if this trade goes all well, it will hit our TP of a 1 to 3, 1 to 3.5, a little bit, something like that, in that range. So yeah, we're gonna hold this one. I've been low-key cutting my wins a little bit too early. I should let them rock out and trail my stop loss. That's what I should do, and that is a good key factor for more profit. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is make my stop loss to break even and be in a risk-free trade, and just let the TP rock, or if it's rejecting the zone, then I'm gonna obviously just pull out. But right now we're currently floating around $41-ish on this trade. But yeah, so we'll just see how it rocks out. So now that we are in profit of $60 on this trade, or 50-ish, $55-ish, keeps fluctuating between. Since we are in profit, I think I'm moving my stop loss to break even, because the 1 hour candle closed very, very, very bearish. Today's video is sponsored by myself, the one and only Rod, you know what I'm saying? If you guys do want to see me play live games on Twitch like this, as you see me duking on this kid on Call of Duty, and I duking on his friend like that, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm duking on this kid on Fortnite right now, look at this. Slingers, right? Or if you guys want to see me literally slap kids on Apex Legends, like, don't mind that, I missed that. Machine, right? Or if you guys do want to see me, how about this? Let me put my aimbot on that. Oh, no. How about like that? If you guys do want to see that on Twitch, go ahead and follow me on Twitch. You see it on the screen right here, down below, like right here above my chest. Go ahead and follow me and come watch me live, you know what I'm saying? I will be moving to Kick soon after I get my PC built, but that's not till later on. But right now we're gonna be streaming on Kick off the Xbox because that's my only option. But yeah, without further ado, let's get back straight into the video. As you can see right here, this candle closed very bearish. We have double rejection, bearish, and I think I'm moving my stop loss to break even, which is like right at this area right here. I think I'm gonna go to sleep, wake up around like 1 o'clock. Just to see where this trade's at. If it ends up stopping me out for a little break even, then it's cool. I'll probably gain like a few dollars, but yeah, we're gonna see how this trade rocks out. But I'm considering just moving my stop loss to break even because I am tired and I do gotta work tonight, but this is not gonna stop us from getting the grind, baby. So I did move my stop loss to break even on this trade. So now we're in risk-free trade. You can tell, here we go, $63 floating. The equity is $211. The balance is still $147.88. Right now we're floating. Let's see if we can get around like 120 off this trade, possibly $200 off this trade. But we have to hold, be patient, and don't cut wins too early. So we're just gonna let it rock out, see how it is. We can see if we come back to the zone down here where my finger's at. If we can get back down to this area right here, as you can see, it's tapped plenty of times. That'll be a W in my book, and I'll be happy with that trade. But right now, we just gotta be patient and wait. This is a trade update. I just had woke up and I'm tired, and it's only been a few hours. But right now, we're still in profit, but we came back almost to our break-even point. Let me show you the trade real quick. This is a trade. The market's about to close, and we must have lost to break even. So I believe that we're gonna get stopped out if the market does reopen. Right now we are currently floating $15 in profit-ish range, and yeah, so here's my break-even point right there. unless the market continues to push down more and more when before the market closes, which is in 3 minutes. But right now we're just basically floating around $15-ish. But yeah, we have to be patient and see how it does. I think I'm gonna just hold it. Hopefully it doesn't jump my stop loss. If it does, we do probably lose a couple dollars, but it's okay. So trade update, I actually just closed my positions, and yeah, so this is what we gained, which was $5. Profit was $11, but after commissions and stuff was $6. We gained $5.92. Each commission is $3 for 0.20 lot size. But it's okay. We're chilling. We'll just look for re-entries for better positions and pray for the best. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, go ahead and start there. And we are in for a sale. So here's the trade I'm in. I got in earlier right here, but I took my profits like around here. But I did re-enter on another sale because engulfing broke below, recontest twice, and this was engulfing too, and a little head and shoulders on top of that. Stop loss is above here. I'm not gonna set a TP. I'm just let it run in case we get like big moves to the downside. So, but I am looking to target the zone right here, because if we look left, we can feel all this in right here. If we lose a trade, it's fine. If we win the trade, it's a big W. But I'm risking some heavy lot sizes on here. I'm risking a 0.40 lot size on this trade right here. So let's see how this trade runs out. All right, we are in this trade and it's pushing down super hard. So we're floating currently darn near $100, and it's pushed down real hard. So what I'm gonna do is just, bam, there you go, a little trade. It is pushing down hard, so I just decided to take profits and get out. It's all right, but now we're at a balance of $243, and yeah, W trade in my book. So this is what my trade was. If I go to my trade history, I got this giant candlestick. It wasn't even a full hour, it was probably like 30 minutes. Could have held it for a little bit more profit, but we're trying to slowly scale up our account at the same time. So more profit, more balance, bigger profits for the next time. That was a W, boys. Now we have a little bit more room to play with. We're at $243.13, starting from $49.30. Now we're going to try to scale this $249 or $43 to, let's see if we can get it to $300 to $350 by the end of this week. Just remember, every day is not a trading day. Sometimes you don't take trades, or sometimes you probably will take 2 days without trades. But the main thing of the game is be patient. I'm telling you, just be patient. So I think we took like a $90 plus profit on that. So that's a big W right there. Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, 7 a.m. So right now I currently actually just made it home not too long ago, like 5-10 minutes ago. But right now I am looking for a trade setup currently on Euro UD and Euro CAD. And I'm gonna show you the setups that I am looking for. But before I show you the setups, y'all, almost 1,000 views on the last video, and we gained 35 plus subscribers off that video. I know I keep talking about the subscribers, but dog, you don't understand how much that means to me. That's a lot of people want to join this journey, and I really appreciate that, and I love y'all for that. I ain't gonna cap. Yeah, let me show y'all what trades that I'm looking at right now, and hopefully we can catch a W with these. On Euro AUD, I am currently looking for buys. The reason why I'm looking for buys is because if you go on a daily time frame, it did break two previous highs, and then with the engulfing candles, just like totally just munched it. If you go into 4-hour time frame, as you can see, it was still making new highs and stuff. Came back, recontested this zone that it never recontested, but now it did. So we're actually looking for buys from here, just based on the 4-hour time frame. And you see how it came back, broke down below, but came back with a very bullish candle. Now it's recontesting. If I go down to the hour time frame, here we go, recontest the way I want to see it. And yeah, so we want to see recontest right here for a bearish, and then a bearish, Jesus Christ. So we want to see this, and then we want to see this. It's like that. Bam, and then a bam. So we do want to see something like this close, and then I'll get in for buys and target the next daily zone that I have marked up, which is right here, due to it tapped multiple times in this area. And if you look more left, it tapped right here too. Yeah, that will be my next target zone, or my first target zone. And if it does keep running up, then we can most likely get up to here. but that's my first target zone. I was also looking at to get in on AUD CAD, but I drew these gray lines before, like I think around like 5 o'clock in the noon or yesterday. But what it did was it just went straight up and failed to recontest off the break. But we could also wait for recontest, have it break through here, recontest, and then get in for buys there just for confirmation. So if it does break, I will get my first entry right here to buy into the next zone, which is right here. And we'll probably risk like anything below this candle for a 1 to 3.4 risk to reward. Pop 2 dubs here, and just hopefully keep catching dubs. So yeah, hopefully get the count around 350 today. If so, that's good, possible, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so those are the little entries that we're looking to take right now. If I take anything else or if I see a different setup, then I'll let you guys know. But yeah, so we'll catch you guys when I enter the trade or it's about to happen. I just woke up and I got into a buy on Euro AUD. On the 4-hour, it rejected, and on the hourly, it's failing to break. Let me break it down to you guys why I hopped in this trade for a buy on Euro AUD. Because we start on the daily time frame. You can see as we had support previously, it broke, came to resistance, failed to break below, closed above our support, and it also made a new high. This could possibly be a new higher low. And if we go down to a 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we had recontested this area right here. So we broke support, resistance, broke, came back, recontested on a 4-hour time frame. Now we're looking to buy into our next zone. I always put mine to like the next daily zone. If we go down to the hour, it came down, recontested, it broke, but failed to hold as resistance, came back, closed above, or it's slightly above, bullish engulfing. And yeah, that's the reason why I hopped in for a buy. So right now we're in a little drawdown, but it's okay. We just be patient, wait. If it stops us out, we lose approximately $74. Risking to gain a probability of a $221 profit. But that's obviously not my take profit area. That's obviously right here. My take profit areas are actually up here. So if we do, we're up to like right here, we're basically risking $71 to gain $309. So yeah, but we're just gonna let this trade rock out, and that's the reason why I took for buys. Just looked on a higher time frame, created support, new support. Now we're also looking to buy up here. So yeah, welcome back. Today is the 18th, and I don't even know when the last time I took a trade. I think it was like yesterday in the noon. The trade that we took, it was a loss, a first loss ever, and I'm going to break it down to you why I took the loss and why I should have avoided that and how could I avoid that. But it's all part of trading, you know. Take losses, you win some, you lose some, you win more, you lose some if you got the right strategy. It was also my leverage too. I kind of went heavy, but I think I like going heavy a little bit just to make the challenge more fun. But yeah, I wouldn't risk going heavy if you're a beginner, and I'm only like a year and 3 months into trading. I still got time to work with, but you know, why not go, you know, risk the reward, you know what I'm saying? This is the trade that I had took yesterday, which was a loss. So as soon as I went to the daily time frame, I see how it broke above, rejected this zone right here for this black bearish candle. And as soon as I went to the 4-hour time frame, I'm like, okay, so it came down to recontest this area. I got in about right here on this candle, but then this one just engulfed it down. I could have avoided this if I went to the hourly time frame and noticed it was going on a downtrend a little bit. And as you can see, higher low, lower low, lower high, sorry. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, so forth and so on. And yeah, that's what I should avoid. I should just wait for a break up here, recontest to buy back into the next zone. We are currently in a trade right here on AUD CAD. This one was a break and retest. I did get in on this candle right here. I did enter on this candle. I was asleep for this candle, which I was actually proud of, because I would have yabbed right here, would have been more in drawdown. But right here, this is where I got in that, because it was break, retest, engulfing on top of that. And yeah, it might just reject off this SMA right here, but we have our stop loss right below that. And yeah, we're still risking kind of heavy on this trade. We're on currently drawdown of $51 to gain a possible $250-ish, but it currently looks like we're gonna get stopped out though. But if we do, So be it, we're back at $80 or $70. We're still up from 40, but we're just slowly scaling our way back up. But it's part of training, man. This is not gonna be the easiest thing of all. It's gonna be hard, difficult, but you just gotta keep pushing through it. Oh my god. So we got stopped out on that trade too, and yeah, our account balance is lower than our initial balance. But it's okay. We're gonna do a comeback watch. I'm not trading for revenge trader. We're just gonna trade to get it slowly back up to where our profits were. You can see right here. Yeah, we got in for a buy right here, 2 positions, and the stop loss right there. And yeah, now we're currently down $189 from where we started. No, we started with $210. But here's the balance now. It was up like 243 at one point, but now we're at 32.88. And that's what you get for over leveraging. So as you know, it's time to drop down. That last size is 0.03 again. Nah, but it's all fine. I'm not even mad. You know, when it comes to trading, my fear, not my fear, but like, well, yeah, let's say fear. It dropped, like it been dropped a while ago. So now my heart doesn't beat like when I'm in a trade, I'm about to lose. It's just normal now because you understand it's part of the losses. But you know what I'm saying? You got to just keep on pushing forward. So we didn't blow that account yet. We can still get it back to 200. But if we get it from 32.88, that means we're probably the first ever to do that. You know what I'm saying? All to $1 million, we got it. We got it. I believe that we got it. We just take our time, look for the right setups. That was a good setup, but it just didn't go our way and we got stopped out. So can't be mad, it's okay. And yeah, I'm just surprised they actually stopped us out for 32.88. And it's going back up. Ain't that crazy? Let's wait for another setup and let's see if we catch that one. So yeah, as I'm looking at this trade right now, I literally got the trader pip stop loss, which is crazy. Like, bro, let me show you real quick. So as we look at my other previous trade that I took, I got stopped out. This is where I got stopped out right. Hold on. This is where I got stopped out at. Same thing on here. And then yeah, it blew past both of my buys, and we could have currently been in a few couple dollar profits right now, about $20 profit. But yeah, you know what I'm saying, it happens. Like, my analysis was correct. It just got stopped out by a pip. I originally did have my stop loss slightly down a little bit more, but I moved it up for a smaller loss. But yeah, that's our luck. But as you could tell with the strategy, I was going in the right direction, but it just stopped me out. So let's hopefully we could get this count back up to the $200 range, which I believe that we can. But wow, that's my luck. We could have been somewhere back close to 200 already. And gosh, Jesus, man, like, this is part of trading that you guys don't understand. If you are new to trading, just know that this will happen to you. Like, don't think that you won't get stopped out by a pip. It will happen to you. But at the end of the day, you just gotta keep on pushing on. I'm telling you, just mind focus, just think about the future, don't think about the losses in the past, okay? Just think about the future. Anyways, like I said, I'll catch you guys when I'm about to enter another trade. It is currently 10 o'clock, so I don't know if I'm getting a trade by 11 something. If I do, that's cool, but also market will end up closing, doing a giant pip spread at 12 p.m. So I'll see how the market looks after that. But yeah, let's see how it rolls. Trade update. I did get into another buy on AUD CAD about like 2-3 hours ago. I forgot to record the clip, and I was thinking to myself like, did I just record the clip? And I didn't. But yeah, so let me show you what type of, well, I got into a buy. I don't know what else, what type of whatever I'm about to say. As you can see, I'm in one position. I don't know why I have to go. I was gonna have my second position right here, but right here I'm in for one position on a buy. Why? Because it broke. Recontest. I first had my lines drawn up wrong, so I just redrew all my lines on my support and resistance. Came back, recontest, engulfed, and that's what I got for a buy. Should wait for a pullback like I usually do, but I had got into a buy as soon as this candle closed right there, so yeah. If we blow the account, we'll do a second try, and I don't know why my camera's not freaking focusing on me. Or if we blow this account, we'll give it a second try. We're now officially blowing this account to we're under $10 or we can't trade no more, so. If you come from $10 to $1 million, bro, we have to be the GOAT of all time, bro. I don't care what nobody says. Definitely gonna do some risk management again. I got greedy, I'm not gonna cap. But it happens to everybody. Everybody gets greedy, even the best traders to this day. But yeah, so we're gonna take smaller or more reliable position sizes to get everything back. I'll update you guys in the future trades, so yeah. So I closed out the trade manually. And the reason why, because I just don't trust that market swap unless I'm like up in profit. But I did close out the trade manually for like minus 36 cents, something like that, but counts still at like $32.06. But yeah, so we'll find some better trade setups later on. Not letting all those losses get to me. I know that we could do it because we did it once. We could do it again. I found an entry on Euro AUD, and I'm looking for sales, and let me show you what sales I'm looking for, and hopefully this trade goes our way. Because if it don't, we lost another trade. So from my chart, I actually just like removed all my drawings, made new drawings just to make sure I'm accurate on my trades and I have the best probabilities of winning trades. But if I went to the daily time frame, you see it broke off my resistance, made support, but failed to hold support, made a new resistance again. And as we look on the lower time frame for the 4-hour time frame, you can see that yeah, it broke support, it made resistance. Yeah, broke support, made resistance. Now we're holding for resistance multiple times. Now if I go down to the hour time frame, yeah, here it is. We had an engulfing candle right here for a bearish engulfing. Now we could probably see it go back straight to the downside. So without further ado, let's hop into whoa, not a 0.40 lot size. Let's hop into a 0.04 and watch this get the sell on Euro AUD. There you go. So here's my stop loss and take profit. As you see below, I'm above the previous high that I have on this candle. I'm targeting my next zone on the daily time frame. Down here we're tapped multiple times, so that's my TP, and we're looking for 1 to 4.8 RR. I am risking about $7.45 plus commission. I don't know what the commission is going to be to gain a possible $38.11. Right now we're in 10 cents drawdown, but right now we're also in profit, but we're mainly in drawdown. But yeah, that's what I'm risking, and let's see if it goes our way. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If it does, it does. Let's get it. It is Thursday, and yeah, the trade that we took yesterday went straight to stop loss. You know, I've been losing trades recently this past week, but I'm not mad, only because I don't know, I find it funny that I've been losing these trades because I kind of let greed get to me a little bit. It really wasn't my emotions, like I wasn't scared of losing the money. It was more of like, yeah, just greed. Like I went some big lot sizes. Well, took smaller positions, I still would have been up a lot. But right now, we lost that trade for $11.56. Right here it says $11.56 that we lost that trade for. Really $12 after commission and 76 cents. We still have $19.30 on this account. It's not officially blowing yet, so we can't trade no more, but we're gonna try our best to get it back up there. But yeah, we're finna do a comeback, trust me. It's going to probably the next few weeks. We have to slowly go back, but in the next few weeks we're gonna do a comeback, trust me. I promise you we're gonna do a comeback. I just did enter a buy on Euro AUD, which is a trade that I've been losing on the past few times, but it don't matter. This is the buy I just got on right here. It had a break retest on the hourly time frame, went to the lower time frame. It's been rejected multiple times. A little higher high, higher low, higher high. Now we're just waiting for it to shoot up, or it could just possibly shoot down. It doesn't matter.
A few minutes later.
Looks like we're about to get stopped out again for the 9th time. It's hitting our resistance zone, our support zone. So we'll see if it breaks through, or if it just continues to reject to go up to the upside. I did get kind of late. I was asleep. I was asleep for like these first few candles. But yeah, I would have gotten in better position if I was like down here or so, or potentially over here. But yeah, so I've been losing lately for this past week, just this week, but it's not stopping me. I still got a lot to learn, but also I'm gonna just focus on drawing my charts properly, less lines, more accuracy. I feel like more lines will get you like clustered in the head, and that's not really the way to go. I'm just focused on drawing my charts and stuff, taking small positions, but not even looking at the profit. I'm just placing buys and sells without caring for the profit. You just got to keep on pushing forward. You know what I'm saying? It's part of trading. You win some, wait. You win more, you lose some if you got the right strategy and you don't be greedy. And right now I am on a small size account again, due to, yeah, we got greedy when we got bigger profits, but that's not stopping us. We're still gonna push forward. But yeah, just bear with me here. If we got to restart the challenge, then we'll restart the challenge. It'll be attempt 2, but we'll make sure we don't fail. We'll make sure we don't fail attempt 2. Jesus. We basically blew the account, but you know, I'm not mad. I'm actually not mad. Like, some of you guys are probably thinking like, what am I thinking right now? I'm clearly not even thinking about anything. Like, I'm just chilling. We're gonna work on drawing our charts better. That's what we do need to work on, just drawing our charts. And yeah, that's mainly what it is. We're still gonna try to get the count back up till we can't trade no more off the little little balance we got. If we can't trade no more, then we just try it again, throw another $50 in there. But just gotta keep on pushing. I'm telling you, do not give up. This is about to be the end of the video for this week, and next week we're gonna have to come back with a banger week. This week taught me a lot. I'm not gonna lie, it taught me a lot. Losses are part of the journey, so remember guys, you will lose, you also will win. So don't let the losses discourage you. Anyways, this is gonna be the end of the video right here. We ended the account balance on $9.98. No flex. I know you could turn $10 to $1 million, but me, I could personally turn $1 million to 0. No flex. Also comment how long have you been trading for, and are you still going through losses, or you actually break even, or if you're profitable. Comment down below. I'd like to know. I'd like to read you guys stories. Anyways, I'll catch you on the next video. Deuces.